coded the sprites wonderfully. Now let's head on to add the next sprite. Scopes are devices that use a pin or pins, circle, lens or other markers to help archers hit the target. How can we miss such a useful object in our target shooting game? Let's add the new sprite scope to our game. Just imagine the picture of scope. Different images might come to your mind. Well, there are different types of scopes available. From that, you can either draw one or select any of your wish. I have downloaded one I like from the internet. Let's add that. Place the mouse pointer over the Choose a Sprite option. As we have downloaded the scope, we can just upload it to the backdrop. Choose the Upload a Sprite option for that and click on it. Select the scope and tap on the Open option. The scope looks outsized. Let's reduce the size by clicking on the Size option and changing the value from 100 to 20. Click outside the stage to view the change. The scope can be given movements as we give to the other sprites. We are going to code it in a way that the scope will move when we move the cursor. That is, wherever you move the mouse pointer, like up, down, left or right, then the scope will also move to the positions respectively. To start with, click on the Events category. Bring the When Green Flag Click block to the coding area. Before we place the next block, we must make sure that if the scope has to follow the movements of the cursor, then the X and Y coordinates of the scope should also be identical to the coordinates of the mouse pointer. To set this, click on the Motion category and get the Set X2 block to the coding area. The X value of the sprite should be the same as the position value of the mouse pointer. Those values have to be sensed and find out. Go to the Sensing category, click on it and drag out the mouse X block and drop it in the space of the Set X2 block. Similarly, the same steps can be done to the Y position also. Click on the Motion category and pick the Set Y2 block to the coding area. Then, like before, click on the Sensing category and drag the mouse Y block and drop it in the Set Y2 block. All these blocks will enable the movements to the sprite scope. These movements have to continuously work until we want. In order to attain that, click on the Controls category and pick out the Forever block. Place the Forever block in such a way that it comes below the When Green Flag Click block. Do you remember, my friend? I told you that the benefits of this sport are unlimited. It plays a major role in our physical as well as mental health. People of any age and any type can enjoy the sport. Archery and target shooting helps to get a healthy mindset. Practicing it improves the patience level of the archer. It is also said that taking part in such sports is good for a healthy heart. Furthermore, it is a good way to socialize. A person needs to have adequate socialization levels to sustain a healthy mental life. Like many other sports we know, this is also an ideal way. Now let's have a look at what we did so far. Click on the green flag icon. Superb! All of them work properly. We can end this by clicking on the Stop button. Oh, I'm very excited. We coded the sprite scope also. We are approaching to some final steps for the game creation.